Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Firstly, just open your device's keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Now tap on voice typing and click on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. Now you can finally click on the visible microphone. Select while using the app in the pop-up, wait for Speak Now command, and start typing. Voice typing is now on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!